Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to start PlayStation 5 in safe mode and rebuild database. Let's go. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds. About 3 seconds. PlayStation 5 is turned off and ready to launch safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the second beep sounds, about 7 seconds. Switch to the PlayStation 5 source. Connect dualsense via USB cable. Press on the PlayStation button. Choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. That's it. Now you know how to start PlayStation 5 in safe mode and rebuild database. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.